guys, and welcome back to Pumpkin Swirl. And in today's video, I will be doing a challenge. Boom! Dun dun dun! So, as you guys can see, this over here is a little popsicle / ice cream. It has a little stick over here. It has 3 slices of kiwi. And the challenge is, I will have to be recreating this whole ice cream / popsicle as a paper squishy. If you don't know what a paper squishy is, it is basically a squishy but made out of paper. So yeah, I will be doing this but as a paper squishy. So let's get started, shall we? So let's see here. We have 3 slices of kiwi here. We have this really dark green part and a little stick. I think I can really recreate this. I hope. So guys, to make that paper squishy of mine, actually a pillow of mine, I will be using paper, scissors, any type of coloring pencils or markers or whatever, and I think I'll be using this watercolor pen because it's really nice and easy to use. So yeah, I also have these, and a crayon and an eraser or a pen, doesn't matter. But yeah, let's get started. I'm really excited. Okay, so the things that you will be needing is a pencil and a eraser. Oh, Mr. Derpy, what are you doing here? I can't find my toilet paper. You can't find your toilet paper. No, I can't find my toilet paper. Oops. Oh my god! My hat fell off. Okay, well, thank you for your help. Goodbye. Wait, but I didn't even find your toilet paper. Okay, well, anyways, guys, apparently Mr. Derpy here can find his toilet paper or whatever, but anyways, let's continue. So yeah, you'll be needing a pencil and eraser. So I'm just gonna draw my popsicle right quick, and yeah, like this. Pretty good. Okay, so here it is. It's not really great, but it still has the shape of the popsicle. Now I will do this little stick down here. Okay guys, so here I've done the little line over here. Oops. And now I will do the 3 slices of kiwi. One was over here, and I think one was in the middle, and one was up here. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Boop. Boom. Okay guys, so here it is. Here's the drawing. And now I will color it. Boom. Okay, so first I'm doing the little seeds. Small little tiny seeds. Okay, now I will color the little kiwis itself. So I've decided I will be using this light green for the kiwi and this for over here. Okay guys, so let's color that in. Okay, and I will be leaving this white. Let's do the next one. Okay, now I will be doing the last slice. Okay, so here it is. And now I will be coloring this part right here with a darker green. Okay guys, I am done for this little bottom part over here. Oh, and by the way guys, you can make it as like whatever like size you want it to be, like whatever size would it be. Mine is like pretty big, but you can make it small, medium, like whatever, large. So yeah. Okay guys, so I've chosen the yellow. I want to make the like ice cream background kind of itself. So now I will be coloring this part. Boom. Okay guys, here it is. And now I will be coloring the little stick. Okay guys, for the stick over here, I will be using this brown brush pen, whatever it's called, watercolor pen. So this is what the color that I will be using. So boom. Looks pretty good to me. Alright. Okay, now that it is done, I'm gonna erase those like crayon marks like this. Pretty good. Alright. Here it is. I think it's really nice, and now I will be putting this really like large tape on it. So yeah, on top of it, and yeah, okay. Alright, let's put it right here. Alright, now the tape. Oops! Oh my god! Oh my god! OMG! Oh no! Okay. Ruined! Ruined! Okay, that was a disaster, but okay, let's snip it off. It's fine. It happens. Not really, but it happened to me. So. Okay, let's put this over here. Let's put that over here. And I'll be putting more tape over here and over here, and I will come back. Okay guys, so here it is. I put the tape, and now take your scissors and cut the ice cream. And don't cut around the stick because we will tape it on the ice cream paper squishy later. So like just snip it off like this and go around the ice cream / popsicle. And I will come back. Okay guys, so here it is, and now I will cut the little stick out. Boom. Alright, here it is. Okay, the back is white, so I'm gonna color the back real quickly guys. Like that, okay. all good, all good. Alright. Oh my god. Here. Okay, now you will take the popsicle and then flip it over like this. Make sure you flip it over like that, and then trace it with your crayon like this all the way around, and I will come back to you guys. Okay, here it is, guys, and I just put these two lines over here so that I know that I will have to connect them like so. Okay, now I will color it all the way around. Alright guys, now I will color this part over here. Color that in. Okay guys, so here it is, and now I will put tape on top of this one. And yes, I did not put the 3 slices of kiwi on this part of the ice cream slash popsicle, but because it is the back of the popsicle, so yeah, that is why. But yeah, looks the same. Okay, good. Okay, now I will put tape over this drawing and I will come back. Alright, so this one over here. The next one in the middle, right over here. And the last one over here. Okay, now take your scissors. I will take my scissors and cut it out. Just like this, and I'll come back to you guys in a moment. Okay guys, so here it is. Now I will be doing a really long line. You will see what I mean in a moment. But now take another piece of paper. Put that away for now. Alright guys, now take your paper and fold it like this. Make it as large as you want, because the line that I was talking about was actually what will be in between the ice cream, like this. So yeah, make it as thick and as large you want it to be. I think I will make mine like this. Fold it like this and just color over here. So I will be using yellow and green because this part over here. And yeah, okay, let's color. So I am just measuring where the green will be. So we start over here, goes over here, and like here. So I'm just kind of measuring how long the green will be, because this over here will be like all green, and you'll see what I mean if you don't understand. Okay, now I am just going to color this whole part all green, because I just measure it like this and go to this like that and continues. So yeah. Okay, so here this is how I measure it. So this, I just put it on this part, press it down over here, pull like this, and stops over here and turn it again. And this is where I must do point, I think, green. And now I'm just going to be doing this part over here, yellow. Okay, here I am done. And if I need more yellow, like trips or whatever it's called, another part of this, I'm just gonna use another part of the paper like that, color it with a yellow, put tape on it, and put it on this. Okay, now I will put tape on this little part over here. Take my tape. I'm just gonna tape it on there. Okay, guys. Now I will take my scissors and cut this part like this. Okay. Here it is. Here it is. I just have to put tape on it. When you're done putting tape on it, just cut it and fold it right now. And cut it like this. Alright. And now I will take these two over here. Okay, so now I will take my smaller tape and cut it into little pieces. Cut it into little pieces like this. I am going to start over here. Tape over on the little green over here. And I'm putting on this green like this. Like this. Okay, so I just taped it on green to green, and I'm just going to tape it around like this, over and around, and looks like I will be needing more yellow, so I will be doing more yellow over here and tape it all together. Yeah, so I'm just going to tape more like the green like this. Just like that, and continue all the way around. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. It looks really good. I'm just going to continue this little part, and I will show you what I do when there are some missing. So I have some like yellow missing, so what I do, I'm just going to take this part and put it over here, put my finger over there, take it out, and just fold it like this. And it is the same thickness. Okay, and now I am just going to color the whole entire thing yellow, and I will come back. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be enough for this part, so I am just going to take my large tape and just tape it on there like this. Okay guys, when you're done, take the scissors and I am just going to cut it over here. And if you want to, you can follow along. Now I will take this and tape it around, all the way around. So, using like the smaller tape, I'm going to put it over here, just like tape it together. And I'm just going to continue over the around, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I am back and I am all done. Now I am just going to put this behind like that and tape it together like that. And now I will take my other piece and tape it at the back, like this. Okay, so now I am taping it all the way around. I just started like over here, but it's like easier for me. Just like that. And I'm going to continue all the way around. And I believe a little space over here to stuff it so it's nice and squishy. Okay guys, so here it is. I left a little space over here because I am going to put stuffing inside, but if you don't have stuffing, you can use plastic bags. So now I'm just going to stuff it in there. And I'm just going to put more, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done stuffing it all the way, as you can see over here. And now I am just going to continue taping it all the way around to the end, and I will meet you back. So I'm just going to tape it like this all the way around. Okay guys, so here it is. I really like it, so cute. Pillow kiwi sizes, exactly like the one I have as a pillow. But now I will tape a little stick over here to complete the popsicle. So I am just going to cut a little tape over here. Just gonna put this like that and just tape it onto the ice cream like this. And here is the squishy, guys. I really like this. Super squishy and slow rising too, actually. And if you want, you can put the stick in the middle over here, but I thought it just going to be good over here, so you know, yeah. But here it is, and let's just put this squishy next to my pillow one and compare them. Okay guys, here it is. I really like how it turned out, like really nice and squishy on the sides. Super polarizing too. And here is the pillow. I really like how it turned out. They are both like the same. This is Mama Popsicle and the Baby Popsicle. Dun dun dun.